funny because I don't know who is the winner,
No.
but for me, it's Patbox.
Okay. What's your reasons?
And do you want to tell me the winner now or after?
As you want. Maybe you can go for the analysis, and I will tell you at the end. So it won't
Okay,
be.
cool. It's funny.
Yeah.
Yeah. um, the good point of Patbox is it's more original. So he tried to do more sound original, even the rhythm and the ideas of the rhythm. He do sometimes something different. I don't know, but something we.
Yeah, you know the Ivory flow, because he's from Ivory Coast, I think. Like it's a typical flow, cultural flow for him. Do you know it? Do you know that?
No.
It's very original flow. Yeah.
Yeah, so sure.
Yeah.
I say it's like more original.
Yeah, he's the
The
only
good
one.
point of Stan is more technical. Stan can do more technique. He's better with a technique pattern, but he used too much the same sounds. Alors, Patbox too with the, but because he changed rhythm and he tried to do some different rhythm, we feel that is more original.
Yeah.
With Stan, the problem is it's coming. The second one was better than the first one, but what we feel with the last drop of Stan, we want something else, and he do again a drive with the, and we wait something more. It's why my just it's with Patbox.
Yeah, it's your opinion. Like for you, it's like the originality is the criteria the most important for you on the battle?
No, not really, because the technique can, like me, no. But I mean, like the technique can beat everybody, but it's how you play with your technique, how you manage, how you start to say in English, but how you you play.
You don't use too much. Yeah. You
how you
variate.
play,
the
structure, how you variate your technique, and with a Stan sounds a little bit the same for the 2 rounds, but it's more technical. So actually, if you judge and you really like technique,
it's okay to vote for Stan. You would say.
But if Stan win, it's really just for this point, because sometimes he do the break and. But I'm not sure he win this battle, but it's the only reason if he passes, because he's more technical, but
yeah,
it's not enough for me. That's why I go to Patbox 4.
All right. Okay.
Alors, something interesting is the position of the on stage.
Yeah.
We've really, and he says, so it's funny because I think about it to tell you, but the position of Patbox is really not good, because the strategy of Stan is to keep the middle of the stage.
Yeah.
Or maybe more. He want to push.
He's always in the middle. Yeah.
Yeah, he want to push Patbox in the left. And Patbox is interesting because he feel it, so it's good, because he say it like, oh, bouge, or something like this. I don't know. Laisse-moi passer, or I don't know. When he go drink at this moment, interesting. When Stan go to drink a water, Patbox think about it, the middle of the stage, and try to go, but yeah, be careful for that, Patbox. I will recommend to just go, and if your challenger, you block the middle, just touch him. Because we in the beatbox community we say it's not okay to touch the challenger.
Yeah,
it's the rules. But if you block the stage like this, I will, because we are all friends, just tap here like, hey, just go here.
A little bit, yeah.
Well, you can do that. So I recommend to do that, and not to are in the left. And maybe sometimes the judge feel it. If Patbox is too much in the left, he not control the stage. The winner can be stand only for that. You see?
Yeah.
So it's really important to control the middle of the stage, or to balance that, but not too hard blocked, And I did. It's funny because I did the same mistake at the 1-1.
Ah, yeah. I was
Few months ago, I do a
talk
battle.
about this, yeah.
But I did, how many battle I did, you know? Interesting, because I did them maybe 50 or 100 battle, and I forgot that.
Ah, you forgot that rule.
I forget this. Yeah. So now I know. It's why when I see that, say yeah, be careful of that. Yeah.
I understand. Yeah. It's like when you're an experienced battlers, you know that you need to take the control of the stage, but if you're not used to, you won't think about it, right? Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
What would you recommend to Stan just to be to maximize his chances to win like a battle like this, like very tough on the technique?
I recommend to
quite the same level.
I recommend to learn another sound.
Yeah. Okay. So diversify his
sound. Maybe it's a decision of him to just keep this vibe.
Yeah.
With but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I think he do the best that he can do in the second round, I feel.
Yeah.
I just recommend to learn another sounds, how to say in English, open your
mind.
No, not your mind, your repertoire.
Ah, okay. Diversify your sounds repertoire. Yeah. Okay, very nice. Do you want to know the result?
Yeah.
Okay, it's Stan who won.
No.
Yeah, 2-1. It was very, very tough.
2-1, you see. But the only reason for me, it's funny because for me it's Patbox, because he really tried to do many different rhythms.
Yeah.
And I'm surprised. The Stan is only win because he's more technical on the stage presence.
Yeah.
But definitely for me, Patbox.
True. I think I voted like Stan just because of the technical skills and his chill attitude, because he's very calm and he doesn't look like he's disturbed, or like very chill, very calm, very confident, and that's a strength, I would say, for him. So do you have something else to add for Patbox or Stan? Just like some suggestions, like something they can improve?
No, it's okay.
Okay, very nice. Good job to both of them. It was a tough battle. I think we will see more of them in their national championships. So I'm looking forward. Just for YouTube guys, if you want to comment, like if you agree or disagree with us, let us know in the comments, and we will be happy to see your opinion. Do you want to make serious progress in beatbox? Click on the link in the description below and join our beatbox school to level up faster than ever.